Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can log in on CapCut PC using either your TikTok account or Google. Or Gmail, sorry. Go to menu, go back to homepage. I'm just going to log out first so that you guys know. Sign in here, and then you're going to either select sign in with TikTok, use QR code. I don't know how to use this one though. So we're just going to simply select the one that we want. For instance, I want to sign in with TikTok. Select it, and then it's going to open up this page. You're just going to select authorize, and you're going to open up CapCut again. Okay, I'm just going to open it manually here. Maybe I have to sign it again. It does take a few minutes for it to actually show. Again. Okay, there you go. Finally, I'm logged in. So if it didn't work the first time, you have to do it twice. And then that's it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!